Hey, what's up? It's Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media, tech, and business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to render audio only on Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheptionyi.com to learn more. Now, let's get back to today's video. So if you want to render an audio only on Adobe Premiere Pro, this is how to do it. This, as you can see on the screen here, is Adobe Premiere 2023. The layout of editing is quite different from the past versions of Adobe Premiere, and this is the editing set like screen or display where you can choose between editing, graphics, effects, color, audio, captions, graphics, etc. So this is editing. So if, for example, I want to render only audio on this video, it's quite easy. On Adobe Premiere Pro, to your far left, you can see import, edit, and export. Go to export, click on it. You will be presented with this screen here. So from here on format, choose MP3 or any other format that you know for audio, but the best one is MP3. So we'll choose here MP3, and all the setup will change to audio. There's no video options here, and from here you can render. So you can see the final output will not have a video, as you can see below here. Everything is okay. For example, in audio, the settings are in order. Now click on export, and the process will start exporting your audio. Once done, you can preview your audio rendered directly from a video in Adobe Premiere. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, if you need video production services, visit www.techtubestudio.com, and also visit my blog at cheptionyi.com to learn more about what I do. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptionyi Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheptionyi.